To the vault we go, and this has everything. Bird, Chuck Person, and Bob Ley on the mic 25 years ago today. Now, 25 years ago, he wasn't the general, but Bob Ley then and now was still a G.
Times when a game will transcend a box score and become legend. And today it happened actually before the final buzzer. Now, Game 5 doesn't have the same romance of Game 7, but it that, and Person backs up his talk as well, leaves Bird in his dust. Then Bird, already playing with the bad back, had another problem. They might have been cracked, swollen, certainly hurt badly. He left the game. The game was halftime, now third quarter, and then Bird returns. They went nuts at the Garden. Bird into the game. Immediately with the rebound, the laser outlet, Reggie Lewis. The Celts 42 points in the third quarter. Bird posts up Mike Sanders. And the foul, and a 16-point Boston lead. The Person and Bird battle goes from verbal to violent. Bird had to leave the game. The Celts with the big lead. The Pacers come back. Michael Williams, Reggie Miller. It's a 7-point game. And then Bird makes a mistake. Person finds Michael Williams for the lay-in. The Pacers last minute storming back. It's down to 2 with 5 seconds to go in a 4-point game. Person hits the 3, and it's down to 1. Ryan Shaw hit a couple of free throws, and it came down with no times out remaining. They had to go the length of the court. That left Schrempf. Desperation. The Celts advance. Bird and Person leave together. They each scored 32 points. The Celts win 124 to 121.